What is up, YouTube? Do you know what one of the hottest trends is right now? I'm going to tell you. It's trivia. People love trivia. It's something that people get excited about. I happen to love trivia. I'm a big fan of Jeopardy. I'm a big fan of Trivial Pursuit. I really enjoy it, and I know a lot of people do. And it's something that's a hot market. You can make a ton of money doing it. And I have the perfect bonus for you. It's all coming up in my review of Trivia Book Mastery. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can get as old as, well, me not having had a haircut. I finally got one. Praise be. Yes, just like that. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money on my niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? Do you have to do that every day? Do you know how annoying that guy is? So annoying. All the time. Yakety, yakety, yakety. You'd think he would get a life. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it my hat as a product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz says the same thing already also. You think I would get angry at her. But who could get angry at a fellow New Yorker? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash that like button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Of course, make sure you do subscribe. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are taking a look right now at the sales page for Trivia Book Mastery. This is from my friend Ken Blutman. Now, Ken is a software developer, and he's put together this whole video and this whole software that generates a ready-made trivia book for you. Now, there's some materials included with it, but my bonus is going to blow your mind because what I've done is I put together a list, a resource pack of trivia websites that you can go ahead and grab trivia material from so that you can go and use that material in order to put together your trivia books, and it's all done for you. Okay, you just grab it, upload it to the software, and you're done. Now, in addition to that, I'm also going to let you pick out any one of several of my products. So you have your choice of Local Video Jackpot, Unstoppable, Graphic Supremacy. Let's see, what else is there? There's Email Success Secrets, of course. There's Unbeatable. There's Durable. There's the Income Formula. Okay, any of my courses that you want, you get it for free. You just have to let us know. You'll send an email to my support. They'll get you the access for free. And then if you pick up any upgrade, you get a second one. And pick up 2 upgrades, you get a third one. You get how it works. Very, very simple. Okay, so you're going to get the entire package of all of the trivia websites that you can use. And then you're also going to get, beyond that, you're going to get a free course from me, one of my courses for free. Pick up any upgrade, you get a second one. Pick up 2 upgrades, you get a third one. So that's a quick look at the software over here. You can see over here how it works. So basically just upload some a trivia text file. It's just a basic plain text file. And then you go to trivia and you're going to go pick out your text file. You can select different fonts to use. All right. And you can also use something that's been uploaded, or you can use something that is included for free with the software. I would recommend using both, and then click Create Trivia, and you're done. That's it. It's super simple. Okay, and then basically just download a PDF, which you can go ahead and upload onto Kindle in order to sell these trivia books. And these things sell like crazy. They are so worth it to buy, to do these things. They sell so super fast. So there's not a whole lot to see, you know, like they have fun facts options, they have simple trivia or plain trivia, and you have different options. And there's an explanation of how to do each thing, but it's really, really easy to do. It's not super difficult to figure this out, to make these trivia books. It's something that you can really make a ton of money doing this. Very, very easy. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it to my product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, you demand. Okay, look, I always try to pick out stuff to review that's interesting, that's going to give you some good return on your investment. And this is something I feel is going to make a ton of money for you. People love trivia. I love trivia. This is something I'm going to be doing myself because I think this really can make a ton of money. So go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love this.